Alright, what we're going to do now is create a coin. So the first thing you need to do is click on New. Go ahead and select the metric side of the templates because we're using the metric system. Under Parts, we want to click on Standard Millimeter.ipt. Click on Create at the bottom. Alright, what we're going to do now is go ahead and click on the Create 2D Sketch icon. In here you can see you got different kinds of planes. So planes are like different views. This one here is the top plane, this is the front plane, and this is the right plane because it corresponds with your view cube here. Click on this one here for the top. Notice it says top in the view cube, and you can rotate it by clicking the arrows. Let's go ahead and start off by creating a circle. So click on the circle tool, and you always want to start with the yellow dot in the center. Click to start it, move your mouse out, and click to place it. Now at the moment it doesn't have a size, so if you click on the dimension tool and click the outside of your circle, you have a number attached to your mouse. Now it doesn't matter where you place it, so you can place it to the outside and click again. Now we can type a size. Let's make this coin 50 millimeters in diameter. So type in 50 on your keyboard and click check. You may need to zoom in, so use your middle mouse wheel. Let's click on Finish Sketch because we've now added a size and created a sketch. Okay, we'll zoom out a little bit by using the mouse wheel. Let's extrude this to turn it into a three-dimensional object. So extrude is the tool that you use to make a shape pop out. It automatically thinks it's going to pop out. Now, your screen may not have this, so if you need to do this, you can click the drop-down arrow and you get more details. Change the size to 8 millimeters. You can do it either here or here and click the check button. Alright, now it's three-dimensional. Let's go ahead and create another sketch and click on the top of the coin. Let's go ahead and cut a hole out of the center of our coin. So let's click Circle, click the center of your coin, move your mouse out, and click to place it. Let's use the Dimension tool, click it, and click on your circle, and move your mouse out and click again to tell it how big do we want the circle. So let's make it 20 and hit enter. Alright, we'll finish this sketch, and now we use the extrude tool to make it pop out or cut out. We'll select the inside circle. Now if we want this thing to go down and cut it out, you need to expand this window and select the one here, the little tool called Cut. If it doesn't go in the right direction, you can switch the direction here. Make sure it's going down. Type in the distance that you'd like to cut it out. So we made our coin 8 millimeters thick, so I'm going to type in 8 and hit enter. To rotate your view, hold the shift key with one hand. In the middle mouse wheel, hold that down with your other hand and rotate. Alright, let's add a chamfer, which is an angled edge, to the corner of our coin. So the chamfer tool is a three-dimensional modifier. Okay, you can click the drop-down arrow, and you can type in how much of an angle would you like on the edge. Alright, select the edges of the coin, And you can also select the bottom edge. You can change the size. So 4 or 3. We'll stick with 2. And click the check button. Let's rotate our view by holding the shift key in the middle mouse wheel. Okay, see what we've made? Let's go ahead and add some circles to it, something interesting. So let's create a new sketch. Click on the top of your coin. Let's this time cut a little pocket out. So click on circle, start in the middle, and let's make the circle about there. Okay. Add another circle. And let's give sizes to it, so use dimension. Click on the first green circle. Let's make that one 30. And let's click on the second one. Let's give that one 40. Click Finish Sketch. Now let's use our Extrude tool. And let's click inside that circular area. Let's cut this out. So let's cut that out about, say we go down 4 millimeters. I'll go 3. Click OK. See what you've made? Let's add some more interesting features to it. Let's create another sketch. This time let's actually create it in the inside of the coin, the little inside section. Let's add some text. So click on Arc, little arrow next to it, center point arc. Now pick the center of your circle, the dot, move your mouse out, start in the middle of this valley. So click to start it, rotate your mouse around, click to finish. Next, click the drop down arrow next to text and select geometry text. Click on your arc because we want the text to flow around the edge. In the text box, type in something that you'd like to use, so about 50 cents. If you pick this tool, Fit Text, it will wrap it around perfectly. Click OK. Alright, notice our text is too big. So let's double click the text. Let's highlight our text. And let's change the size to let's go with 2. So type in 2 and hit enter. Alright, that looks better. Finish our sketch. This time click Extrude. And let's zoom in carefully and select the text. If you do it wrong, this is what will happen. You'll get this, which looks like nothing. So make sure you click Extrude and you pick the actual text itself. It should turn white. I'm going to get that to pop up about 2 millimeters. And how about 1? Okay. There you go. Starting to get a coin. This is the basics. Now from here, I'll show you some more advanced videos next.